Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you import themes into your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you can go ahead and create your new presentation. As you can see here guys, I have already created a presentation right here, and here I have some slides that I want to use for my presentation. They have some info on them, but I do not like how they look and I want to add a new theme into my presentation. So guys, how do you do that? Well, it's very easy guys. You only need a couple of steps that I'm going to be showing you right now. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and look right here into the upper corner where your toolbar is. Here you have multiple options such as inserting text boxes or images or some other stuff. So what you want to do guys is look at these options right here where you can find the background option and so on. We want to find this option right here called theme. So guys, you want to go ahead and click on theme option right here. This will enable you to change the theme of your presentation. And now guys, after clicking on theme, you can see at the right side of the screen, this has opened up this new option tab where you can see all the themes that you have in your presentation view. So guys, you can see here you can change the theme, you can add any theme that you want. But guys, if you want to import a theme that you already have from some other site or something similar, then what you have to do is look right here at the bottom corner where it says import theme, this yellow button. You want to go ahead and click this button right here guys, and this will now open up this new page where you can insert a theme either from your Google Drive or you can insert from your computer by uploading it and so on. So you can go ahead and upload the theme guys, and after that just select it right here, and after that guys, after you have selected the theme, it will automatically be inserted into your presentation and will change your whole presentation. So yeah guys, that's how you do it, that's how you change the theme. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.